Tonight, 74 degrees, mix of clouds, stray showers possible, light east wind. Heading out the door tomorrow, expect to have, chance for showers turning to a better chance. Not just showers, but periods of steady rain, the quick 2-minute gushers that I call them. And of course, you'll have some thunder and lightning embedded in there as well. High temperatures are going to be pushing the low to mid 90s tomorrow. Here you see Brownsville at 93. Near the coast, near 90 at Port Isabel, and then 93 to 95 from West Dakota, McAllen, Edinburgh, right in the middle at 94, and that 50% chance for rain. Here's what we have. We have a setup that's not as sweet as the one we had this last week, but basically we have moisture coming in from the Gulf, and we have a trough of low pressure that'll be set up offshore. That's not horribly aggressive, but still it's something. Now you throw in daytime heating and the odd east wind like we had late this afternoon and evening. That's what drove our best opportunity for rain today. You have that. All those ingredients I'm listing off working together, that gives us a decent chance. And again, tomorrow that'll be the case with the showers and periods of steady rain and rumbles of thunder. And then into Saturday, a little less so. It's going to back off a bit on Saturday, but I think on Sunday we've got a decent chance to see that sea breeze push in and help the situation out. But none of this equates to or equals a big blanket of rain valley-wide at any time. It's hit and miss. It's a patchwork of showers and steady rain here and there. So you end up seeing it at a distance or wishing you had some of it. Hopefully before this is all through next week, you'll at least get a piece of the pie. But that less of a chance for rain this weekend means you can get out there and get some work done or some play done. 1/4 of an inch to an inch of rain between now and Sunday. And then we'll reset it for next week with, of course, any isolated heavier amounts possible. Looking at the weekend outlook in detail, and temperatures in the low to mid 90s, more sun than cloud, and again, a few showers, and I think Sunday will be a little better opportunity, even though I left the percentages the same at 30. Okay, now we're talking about the drought monitor. We're not in the map, thank goodness. We've had enough rain as of late. We're managing to stay out of it, but we need to play catch up. Why? If we're not in the drought monitor, we're getting rain, what in the world do we need to play catch up for? Because we're behind, actually, for the month so far. September is our wettest month, and we've only had 1/4 of an inch at McAllen to 1 inch at Brownsville. And you can see we're behind an inch to an inch and a half, and that's not good. So we need to, up our game, as they say. Tropical weather, is there anything going on out there? Is there anybody out there? Well, nothing going on around the Gulf or around the Caribbean or even the Western Atlantic. But then you go way off toward Africa, and there's one little, look at it, boop, one little teeny tiny wannabe development there off the coast of Africa. It has a 30% chance to become something more as it moves west. I don't think it's destined for us, but we're going to keep an eye on it. 7 days, we're in the second half of hurricane season, and the second half can sometimes be the most exciting. The 7-day forecast shows that we end up with an improved chance for rain next week, but we never lose sight of it, and that's a positive.